everyone, my name is NewFlowerGirl, but you can call me Demi, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at sheep farms. We're going to be taking a look at them on Minecraft Bedrock, and we're going to be taking a look at them on Java. We are now on Java currently, so we are going to take a look at them, because there's a difference between the two, and I had discovered that like just today. So, you want to start off with the most important thing, digging a hole. 2 blocks deep. Place a chest, double chest, then a hopper going into there. On top of that, place a minecart rail and a minecart with hopper, and then you want to break the rail. Then what you want to do is make sure you have oops, it can wait. It can wait. You want to get a piston, build up, place the block there, piston, ta-da! There we go. So now any block that goes in there, it disappears and comes into the chest. I now have 3 levers. That is awesome. Then what you want to do is, because you have now a block here, you want to grab your observer, these guys with a funny face, that emit a redstone particle right here, a redstone thing, as soon as a block changes in front of them. They are awesome, and they make great faces as well. You want to place one right there. The arrow needs to be pointing away from the chest. Then you want to get a dispenser, yeah, and a redstone dust beside it. Basically any block that updates, if this block updates, it will emit a particle redstone signal through this block to this redstone dust to the dispenser. Then you want to grab your glass and basically surround it like so. You want to actually place a block there, like a slab, so that you know, you can still open the chest, but it looks good, like so. Yeah. Then the most important thing in a sheep farm, you guessed it, the sheep. There we go. Then what you want to do is you want to fill that thing up with shears and shear it. The blocks will go through the chest, through the wall will go through the dirt block, into the minecart, into the hopper minecart, into the hopper, into the chest. And then basically, the moment that this sheep starts to eat the grass, you will basically see how it works. Come on, eat. I know those sheep are out there. Just eat the grass. Grow back your wool. Come on, buddy. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Come on, just eat. This is gonna take forever. I know it. There we go. You see? It lit up right there. Oh, and the grass, it grew. So it will also update then as well. But you shouldn't worry, because with dispensers, if there are shears in them, they basically fail. It's just like, you know how a dispenser works with an arrow, right? It just shoots them instead of popping them out as an item like a dropper. Yeah, that's basically what it is. But yeah, in case you didn't see the full thing here where it all lit up when the sheep ate. I will put it in slow motion for you guys so you guys can see. And with that all being said, we're going to take a look at why the Java is different from Bedrock. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Bedrock. With all that being said, welcome back to my tutorial world. Yeah. Also, Snowman. You might remember him from my Christmas video. My latest Christmas video. But yeah, these are all the tutorials that I ever done. I'm gonna quickly show you guys around. This is from the light switch. Difficulty was easy. That's probably one of the first ones I ever did. Then the house one, to update it, you know, make it look better. Automated chicken cooker, which I don't think works. Build battle thing. Then we have a modern house. Smelly Jelly's version of a futuristic house. I was working on that, and someone I asked people to help me. Then we had the potion, the automated potion thing. Now what was this one again? I can't recall what this one was. Or is it an automated lighting thing that doesn't work because it's like broken or something? I think this one was the elytra thrower. Then we have a hotel, house, yeah. Anyway, that's the elytra thrower. I think that one was like an elevator. This is the elytra thrower, the elytra launcher, and then the massive house. Yeah, massive house. One of the first houses I've ever made on PlayStation 3 Minecrafts. Yeah, I still have PlayStation 3. Currently in my house we have a PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5. We have 2 Nintendo Switches and 1 Switch Lite, and then a couple of old DS games and also DS devices and all sorts. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to make a sheep farm. I'm going to be looking over at all of the differences. Where are all the blocks again? Redstone dust, observer, dispenser. We don't need piston, we do need hopper. We need hopper minecart, a rail. Most importantly, sheep egg. That's a wolf. Sheep egg. And grass, and then of course something to... No, we don't need to do that. Why am I doing that? We also are going to need shears. There we go. So the main difference with Bedrock and Java when it comes to sheep farms, or when it comes to picking up blocks through items, is that yeah, there's a big difference in there. Oh yeah, we need chests. How could I forget chests? Here we go. Gonna need a double chest. Oop. There we go. It's connected, right? Yeah, it's connected. So the main difference is that basically you don't need to have a hopper minecart in a block, I think, unless they patched it. Okay, they didn't patch it. Great. Look at that. Wonderful. So yeah, that's the main difference. But other than that, it's all 100% the same. So yeah, you shear the sheep. And then we wait. Then we wait. I think I might also just turn on game rule random tick speed to 50. Don't want to do it too much. But yeah. Yeah, come on. Eat thy grass. Unless I've got the game rules to sheep cannot break blocks, or animals can't break blocks. Do I have that setting on? Are you kidding me? Do I have that? No. Oh, I missed it. Then, just like on Java, if just the dirt changes to grass, then it just dispenses failed sounds. So yeah, let's wait. Let's look at him in the eyes while he eats the grass. This is just simple and easy design. Everyone uses it. But yeah, keep in mind that there is a difference between Bedrock and Java when it comes to the position of the hopper minecarts and the fact that it's a little slower reaction with the shearing. But that could just be me. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to leave a like if you did. And also consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any other video. Especially not when it's absolutely failure. I recorded a video before this and I did the bedrock design on Java. And then I basically gave up. And I was like, oh right, I have to do it like that on Java. So yeah. Tomorrow is Sunday. And I might do a live stream. Gonna do Phasmophobia with my boyfriend, if he's up to it. And potentially also some Minecraft. Who knows? Definitely Phasmophobia. But yeah, thank you all very much for watching. But that's it from me for now. And I shall see you guys in another video. Goodbye!